How to download Grab application on your iPhone device. Are you guys facing issues to download Grab application on your mobile device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now look at the top of your screen where you can see the source icon. Tap on it. Now search for Grab. Tap on the second option where you can see the icon for Grab Taxi Ride Food Delivery. Click on it. Now tap on Get button. As soon as you click on Get button, you need to verify your Face ID. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. If your Wi-Fi speed is faster, then your app will start to download faster. So as you guys can see, the app has been installed on our device. Just tap on open. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna download Grab application on our iPhone devices. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.